Hannah, and this is the Blizzard Bliss Girls Waterproof Snow Boot from Timberland Kids. This has a full-grain waterproof leather, suede, and textile upper for durability, as well as this traditional lace-up closure here for a nice secure fit. But there's also this fantastic hook and loop, plus a nice side zipper, making for a really easy on and off. Now in the inside here, we have a faux shearling lining and brushed nylon footbed cover for warmth and comfort, as well as an Ortholite PU footbed here, which is made from 5% recycled rubber, which helps feet stay fresh and offers comfort where it counts. And then we have this gorgeous little faux fur collar here, giving it a little bit of extra excitement, followed by this lovely flexible non-marking rubber outsole with maximum traction. Not only are they gonna be warm and toasty this season, but they are gonna be styling as well. And this fab boot from Timberland Kids. Hey there, I'm Hannah, and this is the Blizzard Bliss Girls Waterproof Snow Boot from Timberland Kids.